Red water, spell red. Green water. Purple water. Salt. Spell salt. Ice cream bucket. Ice cream bucket. Okay, everybody, we have our pieces of equipment. First, we have our garbage bag. Garbage bag. Okay. Garbage bag. Good. Next, we have our colored smoke. We have our garbage bag. We have our tape. We have our scissors. How do you spell scissors? Very good. Very good. All right, take your bag. Cover the top of your container and secure with tape. Tightly, okay? A lot of tape. Go crazy on the tape. Okay? Cover the top. We don't want any air to get to it.
Everything is done. So the last step I need to do is put the smoke in here. Roll another time. Smoke rings are caused by friction between the ejected air bubble and the surrounding air, cause the air to roll back. Nose.
Okay, nose is.
N-O-S-E.
Yes! U-N-G. R-Y. Hungry. Yes!
C-O-O-L.
Cool. Cool. Yes.
Banana.